us and a little bit to the southwest, there's thunderstorms that are forming mainly west of us. However, the more intense part of the storms are to the northwest over there. Very dark clouds. Actually, this doesn't do it justice because of the light. Hold on. Yeah, it's going to be buffering a little bit. The internet here is pretty spotty. But yeah, it doesn't really do it any justice. On. There's even been a little bit of lightning there. What the hell is wrong with this Wi-Fi? It's like really shitty. Like the video's buffering in and out. Like I'm going up just. There we go. These storms are non-severe. They have not been warned yet. But you see that bluish greenish color. I don't know if you can make it out. There could be some hail over there. I saw some evidence that there could be some hail in this storm. That could be a gust front over there. I've been looking on the radar. Nothing too impressive yet over my area. And the storms from my southwest seem to be falling apart. That's actually the main cell right now. But it's generally moving all west to east, so we'll definitely get some rain, some thunder, some lightning. I mean, if another cell forms near us, then we'll probably get a pretty good storm. But as of now, that's the dominant cell. As of now. Oh, just saw some lightning up there. There's actually a line of some pretty intense storms to my southwest. I'm currently looking northwest. There was just an alarm going off there, and I heard somebody saying, leave, leave. That's basically a lightning detection alarm. Goes off when there's lightning, I think, within 10 miles. And that's because of the lightning that's up there. Yeah, now I'm backed up to 30, and then it keeps on falling down to 0, and then I have to keep on resetting the internet. The internet here is very, very shitty. On. Now I'm back. I'm now once again up to 30 frames per second. This is the second time I've reset the internet, and now it's gonna drop back down to 0. Of course it is. Fucking piece of shit. Come on, stay up to 3,000. Come on. Come on. Yes, yes, yes. So we have some lightning over there. That's where most of your lightning is. Sorry for the shitty internet. Oh, just saw some lightning over there again. Look at that, planes are taking off despite all the storms. That's a JetBlue plane that just took off. Yeah, I had to reset the internet again because the 5G, the 4G keeps on cutting out, so I have to keep on resetting it. I have between 1 and 3 bars. Like it fluctuates from 1 to 2. Basically what I do is I turn on airplane mode for a second, then I turn it off again. There, it's dropping again. Come on, come on. Stay up there, come on. Don't drop. We have a gentle south wind here. It's about to start raining where I am. Yep, just saw a little flash of lightning. I didn't see the bolt, but I saw some of the flash. You're freaking kidding me right now. I'm also seeing some lightning over there now. Yeah, now the storm is building back towards the west, but they're moving northeast, so they may come to the north of us. And yeah, I'm expecting that the video will start conking out very soon. Only drizzling right now, but there's a lot of lightning to my west. And look at that gust front right over there. That's actually a gust front. It's starting to build up. In Florida, most of your lightning is actually behind the storm. Finally, the internet's going pretty good for a moment. Then it just conks out again. Yeah, see, now there's more towers over there. Let me back up. There we go. Now the internet's pretty decent. No warnings. There's no severe thunderstorm warnings. No flood warnings. Nothing. There's actually no warnings for our area. These storms may have a special weather statement, but I haven't checked. That's a United plane. I was able to see the logo. I'm just a couple miles, about a mile south of Fort Lauderdale Airport, about a mile or so. You can actually see those towers inside the gust front. There's actually some towers. See that cumulus cloud? That actually could be that one. But there's like a squall line of storms almost due west of me. But the storms are moving this way at an angle like this. And there's more showers and storms behind that line. Let me check the radar again in about 5 minutes. Right when we hit the 22-second mark, I'll check the radar. But right now it looks like the main activity will stay to our north for the time being. But who knows? It could back build right into my area as it's moving towards the coast. Because it's really humid and there's not much of an onshore wind. So it's pretty warm here. It's in the low 80s right now. We're getting a gentle south wind right now. It's currently 6:15 p.m. right now. Just around 6, it's almost 6:15, it's 6:14 right now. Yeah, that's a 97 Camry. Yeah, that car has a, yeah. Wow, it's really dark down there. Like, I'm looking down, it's just a wall of dark. And that dark is just clouds and rain, basically. Yeah, look at those. Look at that storm coming in. Storms in South Florida rarely ever become severe. And if they do, it's usually strong winds and some small hail. The thing is, in Florida, the reason you have any type of severe weather is usually because of strong winds. Here in Florida, the storms get very, very, very tall, and then all of a sudden, as the storm collapses, it releases strong winds, which is known as a microburst. And sometimes you get these line segments, these multicellular clusters. These can also have some strong winds as they push through. You could get an outflow boundary, have some strong winds. And they rarely do contain some small hail. And if it does hail, it's because, the top part of the storm gets very tall. And even though the atmosphere is very humid, even though the atmosphere is very warm, it can hail in the most intense storms. But because the atmosphere is so warm and moist, because the cold layer is so high up, it rarely hails in South Florida. Of course, unless you get a cold front coming in or a cold pocket aloft that are forming these storms. These storms are forming for two reasons. A, the sea breeze is colliding with, the warm temperatures inland, and also there's a weak disturbance to our north that are enhancing some of these storms. Well, that disturbance is a cold front. Oh, that was an old car. That disturbance is a cold front that actually brought some severe storms yesterday to the mid-Atlantic. Even though the cold front is not coming towards South Florida, its remnants kind of are and forming some of these storms. Like, they're enhancing them. But they're mainly sea breeze enhanced. Even though the winds are not straight out of the east, there is a little bit of an onshore component. Wouldn't really call it a sea breeze. Yeah, I don't want to move up here because once I move up here, the internet becomes really shitty. Yeah. There we go. See, it's dropping again. All right. Yeah. That's why I'm backing up again. It's starting to kind of conk out a little bit. All right. Let me check the radar in a minute. These storms are moving northeast of my location at the moment. Yeah, it's bus number 4. That's Broward County Transit. Yeah, it looks like there are some more storms building to our southwest. Those storms are the ones building to the southwest of this cluster. The ones that are not heading our way. All right. This cluster, that you see down there is part of this system here. All right, I'm going to check the radar now. 5 minutes have passed. So I just checked the radar. And the more intense part of the storm is no longer up there, but it's now actually down there. More intense echoes over there. But the gust front clouds are coming right at me right now. So actually, I'm going to stream right now. I'm going to be streaming to my phone now. All right, so this is where I'm located, and I'm looking towards the southwest. See how these storms are moving southwest to northeast? That's why I'm saying these storms are not really heading my way. That line that I saw, is not really heading my way right now. And here's that gust front that's approaching, like the gust front that I see in the distance. That's basically that right there. Wow, that boom was pretty loud. Okay. It's just drizzling right now where I am. It's just drizzling very lightly. I'm currently walking towards the beach. Yeah, that storm's collapsing. The one to my northwest.
Gordo, ¿tú crees que puedes venir aquí a ayudar a la gente a cambiar una goma?
Yeah, these are actually one of the cells that's heading my way. I mean, look how quickly it forms. Boom, just like that. And it's heading pretty much my way. It may pass just a little bit to my west, but then other storms will form along it. Yeah, this is basically going to be like a line of storms. Yes. Just changing taps. That's all. Let's look at the weather for tomorrow, because they said tomorrow could be even worse. They said Saturday, Sunday will not be. Let's look at the NAM.
Es que parece que no quiere salir la llanta, no sé. La llanta no sale, puede ser.
Yeah. I'm going to be hit by thunderstorms now. And yeah, the sky now looks very threatening. Wow. Oh, wow. Those gust front clouds are menacing. So yeah, look at that. Look at those clouds. Wowee. Look at that. The gust front clouds extend all the way down there. So it's just this big line of... Damn it, I'm in a bad area. Hold on. I mean, it looks like there's some clearing down there. I mean, it looks like there's some clear... This place looks amazing. Wow. So much better than that stupid Sunny Isles beach place. Yeah, I'm storm chasing today, basically. Oh, come on. Look, as soon as I walk this way, as soon as I walk to the right, look what happens. Boom. My Wi-Fi drops. Let me check the radar one more time. As soon as I walk to the right, look what happens. Boom. My Wi-Fi drops. Let me check the radar one more time. I'm gonna stop this video for now. Thank you everyone for watching. Bye.